Hi, OpulenceDraws here. Thank you all so much for 200 subscribers. I never thought that I would reach the goal so early. But of course, a massive thank you to BlackBeltBarrister for all the support and attention you've given to my channel, because it sure does mean a lot. I'm a little sad that I couldn't be there and watching when my subscriber count reached to 100 because I was in school. But it was a nice surprise to come home and check there being 90 more. So I thought of doing something a little bit special for this video. I started a new PMV, which stands for Picture Music Video. I'm doing one for warrior cats, focusing on Crowfeather, Feathertail, Leafball, Nightcloud, as well as all of their kits. I've only just started drawing completed frames for it, and I do have speed paints of them, so I thought it would be fun to talk about how I make PMVs. This video will be very long for my standards, so sit tight and enjoy the ride, I guess. So I always start with an idea, mental, physical, anything. When I'm listening to music, I imagine characters I know of from books or movies living their lives to that certain song, which may seem a little weird, but you know. After I decide a character, I look up lyrics for the song and separate it into different parts. This is my plan for the PMV to the song Love Again by Drvie. After the plan is done, I do some concept sketches for the main characters that will be featured. I do this in my sketchbook and keep it light. When these are finished, I go into Procreate and refine them with better proportions, and I also make colour palettes. Then it's time to start the tedious process of drawing frames. I want to focus on expression and consistency in this PMV, and so far I think it's going well. Obviously it's going to take another couple months, but the end result will definitely be worth it. If you like what I do and want to see more of my work in progress pieces, let me know in the comments. I have a RedBubble shop open if you want some of my designs on shirts, stickers, mugs, blankets, and much, much more. Thank you so much for all of your support and nice comments, because if I come home and I'm feeling a little bit rubbish, reading your comments just puts a huge smile on my face. If you haven't, go check out BlackBeltBarrister's channel and give him lots of support. A big thank you to them. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know so you guys don't just have to watch speed paints all the time. Should I start doing challenges or traditional art? Leave a like and subscribe, and have a wonderful rest of your week.